The Jimveo J62 promises a theater experience in a very portable form factor. Check the link in the description for the best price. It is packed with smart features, but we need to see if the performance lives up to the marketing claims for your next movie night. Let us take a look at how easy this projector is to set up and use in different environments. This projector aims to eliminate the frustration of manual tweaking. Between the autofocus, keystone correction, and obstacle avoidance, it does most of the heavy lifting for you automatically. The auto-calibration system is incredibly quick and reliable for getting a squared image instantly. At just over 2 pounds and very slim, it is truly built for life on the move. Having built-in support for mainstream streaming apps keeps the workflow clean and straightforward. The automated calibration features take all the headache out of getting a clean, square picture on your wall. Now we evaluate the core performance, looking at image resolution, brightness, and overall sound capabilities. We have to be clear about the display capabilities here. While it supports 4K decoding, the native output is 1080p, which is the standard for this category of portable devices. While it can decode high-resolution files, the native 1080p output is the real limit here. The internal speakers are fine for small spaces, but you should use the eARC port for better sound. The sealed optical engine is a great design choice for preventing dust spots over time. The image quality is solid for casual settings, but keep your expectations grounded regarding resolution. The Jimveo J62 is a clever piece of hardware that emphasizes convenience above all else. Its ability to set up in seconds is a major win for anyone tired of manual calibration. While the 1080p resolution is a limitation for serious enthusiasts, it is perfectly fine for casual use. If you prioritize portability and a smooth interface, this is an excellent compact cinema option.